Welcome to my final video on Microsoft Excel 2016. We're going to be working on Module 3. Module 3, you are going to be working with large worksheets, charting, and what-if analysis. Inside this chapter, you will be able to rotate text in a cell, create a series of month names, copy, paste, insert, and delete cells, format numbers using format symbols, enter and format the system date, use absolute and mixed cell references in a formula, use the if function to perform logical tests, create and format sparkline charts, change sparkline chart types and styles, use the format painter button to format cells, create a clustered column chart on a separate chart sheet, use chart filters to display a subset of data in a chart, change the chart type and style, reorder sheet tabs, change the worksheet view, freeze and unfreeze rows and columns, answer what-if questions, as well as goal seek to answer what-if questions. So this module is going to introduce you to techniques that will enhance your ability to create worksheets and draw charts. A lot of the skills you're going to be learning on this also review skills from modules 1 and 2, as well as the other geometrics trainings that you've been using to work on this. We're going to be creating a financial projection worksheet with a what-if analysis and chart. This is through Caitlin's ice cream shop. We're going to be creating a 6-month financial projection. We're going to have to calculate revenue, cost of goods sold, gross margin, expenses, bonus, commission, site rental, marketing, equipment repair and maintenance, total expenses, as well as the operating income. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get started. Before you get started, of course, you want to save. I named my spreadsheet Ice Cream Shop Financial Projection with my name. We're going to be creating a brand new document. We're going to be inserting the values and then using those values to generate new values using various skills. So I went ahead and I ran Microsoft Excel here, and I'm going to select cell A1 and type in Caitlin's Ice Cream Shop. That's going to be my worksheet title. Then we're going to make a worksheet subtitle, 6th month financial projection. So I got a worksheet title and my subtitle. I'm also going to apply a theme to the workbook. So we're going to go here to page layout here, go to themes, and we are looking for the Savon theme. Okay. Just a reminder on how to preview themes. You can hover over and you'll be able to see different themes. Savon. Okay, so you can see our font has changed. Now we're going to go ahead and save. What we're going to end up doing in this next cell is we're going to be inserting month names, January all the way through December. But we are also going to change the worksheet layout a little bit as well. We're going to be rotating the text to provide a strong visual appeal. It can also allow us to fit more text into a smaller column width as well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to B3 here, and we're going to type January. That's going to be our first month. And then we're going to take this and we're going to rotate the text in the cell. We're going to go to the Home tab, and then we are going to find the Alignment Settings dialog box launcher. So we can go ahead and click over here to find the dialog box launcher. And then what we're going to do is we're going to change this to 60 degrees. Using some geometry there. All right, 60 degrees, and then press OK. And then what you'll see is your text has been rotated. Now, another way to do this is to go up here to the alignment group and find orientation, and you can change the orientation that way. And you can also format cell alignment and get to the same area. So make sure you know how to do that, because that might pop up on your certification exam. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to fill the month names across. Okay, and we're going to go all the way to June, it looks like. Okay, so we're going to go January to June. What I just did was I used the fill handle here and I dragged it across. Now we're going to go ahead over here to H3 and we're going to type in total. And then we are also going to type into I3, we're going to type in chart. So it looks like the spark line is going to be here. This is where we're going to calculate our total. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to increase column widths. So we are going to increase the column widths before we enter the values and then adjust them later. So we're going to move the pointer to the boundary between column heading A and column heading B, so the pointer changes to a split double arrow. It should look like that. Then we're going to drag the pointer to the right until it hits 38 or 309 pixels. So we're going to drag it until we hit 38. The other way we can do that is if we right click here, column width, and type in 38. That would do the exact same thing. Now we're going to select column heading B and drag through G. We're going to be changing the width to 14.5. Okay, now we're going to be changing the column H to 18. Okay, so we just entered in some text. We rotated the column titles as well as changed the column widths.